and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This thing. What is it? Stay tuned. Today we're going to unbox this box. And this is actually a carrying case for the Osmo Pocket that has all kinds of neat little features to it. So we're going to open this up. Ooh, nice. Has a nice little strap to it. Some zippers. It's a semi-hard case. It's not fabric, but it's not super hard. It's actually quite lightweight. It has nice grips for the zippers, which I like. Open this thing up. It has... Alright. It has a nice little zipper compartment up here, which you can put all kinds of accessories in. Even comes with its own cleaning lens cloth. So, little lens cloth, cleaning cloth. Put that back in there. It has some nice little areas down here. It has a spot, looks like for some filters, which is kind of nice. You can also probably put your adapters in there. So let's see. One adapter, two adapters. Perfect. It has a place right here in the front that you can put your Osmo Pocket. Try to do this with one hand. Fits in there nice and snug. It's not going to go anywhere. I like that. And then it has some compartments up here. So, looks like that could probably go in there. Oh, yep. That could, a little bit of a fit. But that could go in there. Probably like that. No, we may have to put that up there. Okay. So, it looks like it does have compartment areas, but they're not specific for specific things. Which, actually, I'm okay with that. Because it has this area up here that we can just kind of dump stuff in. But it does look like it could fit the GoPro adapter that came from DJI that we did an unboxing for earlier. So down here, it looks like we can put the wheel accessory. Put that down in here. The Wi-Fi adapter, we're probably going to have to put up top because that won't quite fit. Oh yeah, it will fit sideways. Okay. Well, look at that. It does fit in there. And then the aerial pixel adapter, that's also a GoPro adapter, but it is an adapter that you can put on a tripod that goes onto the GorillaPod. That we can put up top for sure, because that's definitely not going to fit down below. Will that fit in there? Oh yeah, easy. There we go. And then other accessories that come along, like filters and things of that nature. Oh, it looks like there's a spot right here for a little filter as well. So that's kind of cool. So I think it will close. That's the thing. Yes, it will. Okay. It is jam-packed full with stuff, but it does work. Look at that. So I think this is a very good purchase. I will have the link down below in the description box. Again, just as an FYI, for those of you who haven't seen some of my other unboxings, I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do appreciate if you could use the link down below if you're interested in something like this. We don't get a whole lot back on the channel, a few pennies here and there, but it adds up, and that's how we get some of this product. Because I work. Okay, so I'm not a wealthy person, but doing those links and getting a little bit of credit does help out a lot. So again, I thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.